Hey everyone, Brendan the Paleo Dude here with a scan code video. So today we'll be taking a look at 4 brand new Jurassic World dinosaurs, just came out in Canada, and we'll be scanning their codes for your app. So let's start with the Dimorphodon. Got a very nice vibrant wing. I know there's another Camp Cretaceous one released with red that I'll be getting soon. Here's my most favorite figure, the Troodon. And I believe this one hasn't come out in the US yet, but make sure to keep an eye out. Notify me in the comments if it's come out anywhere else, because I'm pretty sure it has. Maybe somewhere in Europe. Then here's the cool Gallimimus, shaking a little bit. The cool Gallimimus figure with the Kenner paint job. And this very beautiful Sinoceratops figure. I'm very glad they made a sculpt of it with this paint job, of course. They are coming out with a darker version of it pretty soon, which is pretty cool. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.